Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Rocky from Rockside RC. Hitting you guys with another video today. We got another drop today. We got a new unboxing. Please stay tuned. If you're not subscribed yet, you're definitely gonna subscribe after this one. All right? I know you're gonna do it. You're gonna have to, because you're gonna be like, listen, this thing is so cool. You know what? I gotta subscribe just because the actual RC is so cool. So, all right, everybody, sit back, relax, chill. You know, grab a drink, soda, whatever your preference is, grab a snack, you know, but we got something really cool that we want to bring to the channel and bring to everybody. So again, thank you very much. We are over 1,000 now. Hit that subscribe button, and again, we greatly appreciate it. So without further ado, let's start this mother effer up. So Amazon, my wife and I, we were searching through the internet, just, you know, like everybody else does, you know, seeing what's cool, seeing what's out there, and we found something that was really cool. So let's check it out, let's see what we got. Nice. All right, are you guys ready to see this thing? I know I am. All right, let's check it out. So this is a RC kayak. The company that makes it is DEERC. The model number is DE96. This is for ages 6 and up, it says. Has underwater balance. Does say it has a cool light. Does have 360-degree driving on it, so it does spin around. It does come in 2 different colors, just to show you. Comes in that yellow color, or in the white and blue. This is the model number if you guys want to order this vehicle off of Amazon. Let's take a look, see what this thing is all about. This is a ready to run. Oh wow, very cool. All right, nothing else in the box. The remote looks like a little joystick, you know, from like the Wii, right? So just to show you guys real quick the buttons and stuff on it. Okay, so all right, this looks like the charger for the RC. This is USB, so it's a USB connector. Here are the paddles that come with the RC. And just to show you how it does come in the box. Pretty well packaged. Okay, looks like they have some instructions on the bottom here. They were stuck on the bottom, the instructions. So, all right, we'll take a look at that if necessary. Very cool. Very cool. So, just to give you a closer look, it's got propellers in the rear, like a counterweight, obviously to keep the vehicle stabilized in the water. Let's see here. Oh, very cool. So they actually snap on. So you definitely want to hear that click, just to make sure and confirm that the paddles are attached to the person's arms, basically. Yep, there we go. Nice. Very cool. All right, battery precautions. Okay, do not charge a battery inside the carrying case. Do not charge a battery near fire, other heat sources, or flammable materials. or on a flammable surface, such as carpets, cloth, or wood. Avoid short circuits by correctly fitting the batteries, and do not crush and or squeeze the batteries, as this could pose a risk of explosion. Be careful, of course, when you are charging your batteries. Ensure that you store or charge your batteries in an open and or dry area, away from any flammable materials. Repetitive, but totally understandable. It is recommended to use only the USB charging cable that comes with the drone to charge the battery. Do not connect the battery directly to wall outlets or car cigarette lighter sockets. Do not charge the battery directly after use. Allow it time to cool down in an open area and a dry area. Make sure to remove the batteries from the charger, and after charging is complete, never overcharge the batteries. Keep the battery out of reach for children and pets. Do not attempt to disassemble or modify the battery in any way. Be cautious when removing a battery from the charger. If you are not careful, you may fray the cord and damage it, which could lead to a fire and ruin the battery. Do not pierce the battery casing with a nail or other sharp objects. Break it open with a hammer or step on it. Do not use battery if it emits an odor, generates heat, becomes discolored or deformed, or appears abnormal in any way. Okay, so it looks like the connector is here on the bottom to charge the battery. I'm gonna put this thing on charge. I'm gonna cut the video, and I don't know, I'll figure out a way to maybe put this in the water and take some video of it. So, all right, let's check it out. We are checking out the DRC. We're taking it out on its first run and see exactly how it performs. So you can go backwards, you can go forward with it, as you see now. It does have propellers on the rear if you need to get yourself out of trouble. Definitely very cool. Definitely something that you might want to get for the kids or for yourself, or even for the wife. Very cool, very inexpensive. I believe we got this one off of Amazon. Let's back up. Turn to the right. And this is the controller for it, just to show you guys. So, left, okay, now right. If you need to back up, you just back up. The propellers will help it. So, pretty cool, pretty convenient. Very cool. To stop the guy from rowing the kayak, you just hit this button at the top, and to start him back up, you hit that button again.